The rains are here.
Oh yeah, we're probably not going to head there this time, unfortunately.
Welcome back, guys. We are in Rainbow Beach. Kalula Coast, I think it's called. We've got Double Island Point that way. We've got Fraser Island that way. You excited, Mama?
Yeah, it looks pretty delicious already.
Here we go.
What's on your mind?
Alrighty, so a few little white lies in that intro there. We're actually continuing our tour of playgrounds around Australia. As you see in the background there, seems to be all we do a lot of the time. So we are at Rainbow Beach, but we're not actually staying here. Caravan park just up behind us, you might be able to see, was booked out, and the other one out of town is probably not really worth staying at. So we're at Tin Can Bay, which is about 20 minutes away. The weather's lousy, like really lousy for the next week. So that means, what does it mean? Fraser Island?
Well, yeah, we're probably not going to head there this time, unfortunately.
No Fraser Island. What about Double Island Point?
Yeah, well, we were going to go there until we spoke to the lady at the Visitor Information Centre and basically said it's a no-go, so...
Yeah. So three main reasons, basically. The track between Rainbow and Double Island is cut with some fallen trees. Apparently they're not in any hurry to clear it out, so we can't actually go that way. It's about 11k drive on the sand. You actually need to take the inland route to get there. To do the inland route takes about an hour, hour and a half, which is sand and four-wheel driving, which is fine. But at the moment the tides aren't really low, so they're high lows, meaning you can only really access Double Island right on the low. And at the moment, that two-pronged problem is the lows are either super early, like 6, 7 o'clock in the morning, which is fine for me. Would there be a component of driving in the dark to get there, which I don't know whether I'm that competent, capable, confident, comfortable. But the other one, the other low is after sunset. So plus,
which is also in the dark, again.
Yeah. Plus, there's some big southerlies, so the exposed Tiwa beach side is actually pushing the waves then up as well. So you really got to hit the right time, and just that low tide time doesn't allow that. So.
And Dada doesn't want to get his photo of his car put on the wall in the main street of all the cars that have got wrecked.
The wall of shame at the pharmacy or something there. So yeah, so I'm really disappointed in that. There's a bit of a Rapid Bay moment for me where we couldn't. This Double Island Point for me, probably one of those places that I wanted to really see and spend an afternoon at. Top 10 maybe even on the trip. So. I'll have to say that for another time, eh?
Yeah.
But yeah, we're going to stay in Tin Can Bay for 2 nights. Probably wouldn't have stayed at all, to be honest, if we had known that. But the place we're staying's got a pool. It's supposed to rain tomorrow. The winds are up, so we're probably not going to do a lot at all. What do you reckon?
And the weather's not meant to be that good anywhere for the next week, so you know we might as well have a pool and relax.
So no Fraser, Rainbow Beach. Just had a couple of beers at the
Lifesaving Club, which has got a really nice view actually.
And $5 pints or 4 pints, which is pretty good. $5 pints or schooners anyway. And no Double Island Point, so yeah, sad face. 10-minute walk up to, what is it called? Carlo Sandblow or something like that. Carlo Sandblow? Anyway, it's famous here in Sunshine Beach. Go check it out. And apparently you can see the rainbow cliffs from up here as well. Sunset's not far away, so I don't think we'll actually get much colour because the sun's behind us, but Rainbow Beach. Rainbow Beach. Sunshine Beach, Rainbow Beach. It's Rainbow Beach. Go check it out.
And it's good.
Sandblow, 58 out of 10 for me. It was so, what's the word? Unexpected.
Yeah, totally not what I expected.
It's the best.
I'll show you some footage. It was really cool. 10-minute walk through pretty easy conditions, and it just opens wide up. Amazing. And just like that, the heavens have opened. Haven't seen rain in so long. This is actually looking pretty heavy. So, gonna get back to the car. I've left my family behind me because they're too slow. Alrighty homies, so I actually don't mind an iced coffee, which at the start of the trip I had my coffee beans, I had like the whole cold brew setup. So you brew it, you chuck it in like a glass container in the fridge, and then you would let it sit for, I don't know, 15, 16 hours. It just became annoying and took up a lot of space in our fridges in the caravan, which we don't have a lot of. So then I was kind of getting like your Dare and your Barista Brothers and Farmers Union and all those iced coffees. But I have found something that I reckon tastes exactly the same as a Dare Espresso iced coffee, and it's these things. These little Nescafe iced cappuccino. Just the original. I think there's other flavours, vanilla and something else. They're just little sachets, and they cost probably about $3.80 on special from Coles or Woolies, or probably around $5-6 full price. So as you know, like if you like a Dare iced coffee, you probably get one of those in the 500 mils for $5-6 at a time in a servo, maybe a little bit cheaper. But yeah, this is what you need. You need some milk, just some plain water. Just for the sake of this video, I'm getting out of this bottle. We usually just fill it straight out of the tap. Got a tiny bit of sugar, some ice cubes, the actual sachet, and an insulated Yeti cup. So just on the ice cubes, there's one thing that if you're drinking cocktails, you're drinking anything ice like this, you just want to cool down a drink. Or Trina drinking a gin and, what do you have with? Gin and soda, gin and mineral water, whatever. The big ones work best because they stay as ice cubes for longer. Easier to store, and you're not going through heaps of them in terms of water. So yeah, I think they're like 2 of these trays, and you get 8 in the tray for like $16 off Amazon. Anyway, it's not what we're talking about. Let's make this. I'll show you how quick and easy it is. So yeah, this is the 20-ounce Yetis, which is like a pint, 580 mils. Just tear out the top, chuck him in. It's just a powdered form at that stage. I don't actually know what these have got in them. It is a nice cappuccino. 3% energy for your day. A little bit of sugar. But yeah, so I've got that in. I put about, I reckon maybe 1/4 teaspoon of sugar. Then from a water point of view, as I said, I usually do it out of the tap. I'll probably go about 1/3 of the way. So that's about there at this stage. And this is where you want to give them a stir. Give them a good old stir for like 30 seconds as per what it says on the box. And this is where everything breaks down, your sugar and all that sort of stuff. And it starts to go real creamy. The reason I do this before the ice cubes is because it just makes it easier to stir. Trina's pulling all sorts of stupid faces behind her.
Riveting viewing.
Hey, it saves you money. And it's easy because the only thing you need is water, ice in the freezer, and milk, I guess. Chuck your ice cube in then. So with that ice cube in, it's probably about halfway now with water. And we're chucking milk in. Right to the top. Now I know the coffee snobs out there will be laughing at me. Oh, it's not real coffee beans and stuff. I never said it was, but it tastes bloody good and it tastes exactly like the Dare Espressos. One last stir, mix that milk around. Make a mess of the table. Chuck him on. I reckon it tastes better just to let it sit there and let that ice sort of, just give him a little kiss there. But yeah, leave that for a couple of minutes and then she's good to go. But yeah, $3.80 on special gets you 8 of them, which is saving you a hell of a lot of money, and they're tasty. So. Just here in Tin Can Bay. We're actually staying here. We've got 2 nights here. Weather's not amazing, but still good enough to be outside. Eva spent the morning in the pool with a couple of friends that she's made at the caravan park. We're staying at Tin Can Bay Tourist Park, I think it's called. Not bad. It's quite pricey, I guess, for what it is, but yeah, the winds are up and the clouds are in with some pretty heavy rain as well today. So first rain we've had in a long time. Yeah, haven't done a lot. We just thought we'd come out and check out this bit because we haven't checked out much of the place so far. We'll go back to it's a big playground, isn't it, mate?
Yeah, and there's a big slide.
Yeah, it's actually a pretty impressive one. So they've got a yacht club over there, which serves drinks and food. They're closed until 4:30, so we're actually going to go Rainbow and get some more beers around there, which is about 20 minutes away, just to stay out of the weather, basically. And it's a nice little viewpoint up there. So pretty lazy day. I've sat in bed watching the NBA finals, basically. For anyone playing along at home, they're up to the semis in the conference finals. So Lakers just went down to Golden State in game 5. But yeah, cool story. Might even chuck the drone up here just to see if we can see a little bit of colour, because the bay itself, it's looking quite dull at the moment with the winds up. But yeah, if you're into boating and fishing, it'd be an awesome spot. And I reckon on a sunny day, excuse the wind if that's hitting the microphone, on a sunny day without those winds, it'd be pretty damn impressive to check out. So anyway, let's see if we go. Marge, the rains are here.
Marge, the rains are here.
Hi.
Good pies?
Yeah.
Well, we have left, where have we left? Tin Can Bay. Tin Can Bay. Trying to beat this weather.
Which didn't happen.
It's absolutely pouring down at the moment. So, just having some lunch in a little town called Howard. What was it? Howard Bakery. Howard
Hot Bread Bakery, I think it's
Hot
called.
Bread Bakery. The pie, just a plain pie.
I'm done
Yeah, we got some donuts to wash it all down with as well. So Tin Can Bay for me, I'm probably not hurrying back. It's not really my kind of town. Bit sleepy and too much sort of just, I don't know. But Rainbow Bay around the corner, definitely getting back to that place. It was awesome. What do you reckon, guys? Tin Can Bay?
Yeah.
Rainbow Beach?
Yeah.
Good? Good? Good. Good all round. We're on our way north now, just trying to get rid of this weather. It's hanging around for the next few days, but yeah, trying to punch up the coast maybe 3 or 4 hours today. See where we land.